I'm hoping by the end of this short video that you aren't children anymore and you can see the crimes that have been committed to take your wealth, my wealth. Hello boys and girls, here are 5 facts to prove beyond a shadow of a doubt that we, as the people, are no longer under the supreme law of this land. Our primary law, Commonwealth of Australia Constitution Act 1901, as proclaimed and gazetted under the Royal Coat of Arms. Fact number 1. No referendum to change the monetary system of the Constitution Act. The Australian dollar was forced upon the people February 1966 without a referendum of the people. No referendum, no change to the Constitution Act. Simple.
This is the way.
Fact number 2. No referendum to recognise the Queen of Australia. We can refer to the Constitutional Commission of 1988, which confirms that they, the political parties, still need a referendum for their said Queen for the political party Republic. No referendum, no change to the Constitution Act. Simple.
This is the way.
Fact number 3. How many referendums did the people reject local government? A third tier of government. But local government has still been forced upon the people even after the people said no to local government. No referendum, no change. Simple.
This is the way.
Fact number 4. Each state was granted state seals. These state seals are public functionary seals. And these public functionary seals are not to make law to rule over people. Instead, they are used for our public services, such as hospitals, schools, etc.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world?
So why has the Australian government created their own seals for each state? Copies of our lawful public functionary seals. This is high treason. All for their republic, their dictatorship, to take us, the people, away from the protection of our supreme law of this land. All the while, they make themselves wealthy with fraudulent Australian dollars. So criminal seals for every state.
This is the way.
Fact number 5. The Australian government have copyrighted the supreme law of this land, our primary law. How have the political parties been allowed to copyright something that does not belong to any one person or any small group of people? It belongs to us, the people, all of us. And this is allowing the political parties to dictate to you and me what we are going to do with our lives, while these deceitful parasites steal our country, our rights, our freedoms to control everything.
This is the way.
The Australian political parties have just continued to push through their political party dictatorship, their sovereign, independent and federal nation in a geographical sense, all for the United Nations, all the while stealing your wealth, your prosperity and mine, while feathering their own nests. If you comprehend what you have just watched, don't you think it's time to stand as a people and say no more? Enough is enough. If you don't think so, I would shut my pie hole and I would stop complaining about everything that Daddy Govco is doing to yourself or anyone else if you think that everything is fine and dandy. So the answer to the question, what is a Kia? A Kia is what I term as a know-it-all. And I'm sure most of you would agree. Nobody knows everything. I sure as hell don't. And we never will. But at least we can stand on the factual evidence which proves the crimes that have been committed against every Australian. Isn't it time to unite as a people? We have all been conned. That's the bell, kiddies. I hope you paid attention and learned something today in the Political School for Dummies. If not, you may want to tune in next time, because you didn't listen.